Port Adelaide, Abby speaking.
Hello, what sort of food do you have there?
What sauces?
What sort of food do you serve there?
Food.
Yes.
Um, we do meat, salad, seafood.
Alright, well, my next question is slightly personal, is that alright?
Yeah.
Alright. My child was struck by lightning, and this is not a joke. He was struck by lightning and seriously injured. His mind wanders quite a bit. Um, we have to put him in a special chair that keeps his mouth open so as we may feed him. He has terrible mouth spasms. Now, is there anywhere private in your restaurant that we could force feed our son? Hello?